I have the details for the March Junk Journal Challenge and a look at the Peacock digital kit. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie and I am here with the details for the March Junk Journal Challenge, and our March Junk Journal Challenge is a repeat, however it has a different twist. So we are bringing our Spring Stashbuster Challenge to March, and it is all about using the items that you have in your stash. If you're brand new and you don't have these things in your stash, I'm going to give you creative ways of using things that you probably do have. So we are going to be using our oldest tool. So the thing that you have in your stash that you probably haven't used in a while, that is your oldest tool, your newest tool. So I have a punch board that I've never used. We'll be using that. And so whatever your newest tool is, maybe you have the envelope punch board or the Misty or something that you've purchased and you haven't used it yet. Spring Stashbuster is all about getting into those things that we haven't used, and we're going to use them. So stamping is the next one. It is using rubber stamps. If you don't have any, we're going to make some. Okay? Using things that we probably have. Stenciling, use your stencils, doilies, or make one. And all of these things I'm going to be doing so that you can get an idea of what they are. It's going to be one day at a time, but we will be doing lace. Oh, embossing. Okay, so embossing, and some of you might not have like embossing tools, but we are going to show you using some items that you probably have, a way that you'll be able to do that. Lace, your oldest lace that matches your theme or what you're doing with your journal. If you're doing something very eclectic just to get this done, it will probably turn out really amazing. Buttons, and your oldest, I was trying to think of things that I have that I need to be reminded to go and use, so maybe you need to be reminded too. Washi. Washi does have a use by date, as we all found out with that rose washi that I really wanted to use by Scotch. I will not be buying Scotch brand washi anymore. It stuck to itself and I can't get it, so we want to use up our washi. We want to use up our stuff just because, you know, they come out with new stuff that is beautiful and fun to use, and so why hoard what we have? I'm giving you permission. Use your stuff. This is the Spring Stashbuster. It's a great time to use your stuff. Stickers. I want you to try, and I don't want you to spend a whole lot of time on this, but your oldest stickers that go with your theme. Let's get them out, get them used. Stickers also can have a use by date, meaning that this is sticker lace right here, but it's not sticky anymore, okay? Because sticky goes away. Use it. Your next one is a book or calendar or magazine. Okay, so you're going to use a book, a calendar, or a magazine, or you can use any combination thereof. Paper collection. So I have so many paper collections, and I'm thinking, you know, I have a Peacock paper collection. I think I might need to use that. So the oldest that goes with your theme would be the best. Fabric, again, oldest that goes with your theme. Let's use some fabric. And we're looking for creative ways to use your fabric. When you guys are going to be posting in the little box for each of these things, we're looking for creative ideas to help people get through their stash and use up their items. And then extra special, playing cards, project life cards, postage stamps, sewing patterns. What that means is, please go ahead and use these things, but they're not required. Okay? And then I have a bonus challenge. This is the big challenge, or what would this be? We have a mini challenge. So this is the midi challenge. the MIDI challenge. This might be a bigger challenge, but it's within the March Stashbuster challenge. And your challenge is to use up a paper pad or a kit or a digital kit. So a kit would be, you know, if you bought a kit, like you bought a kit from Dearjuliejulie, like the Paris kit or the Old Fashioned Ladies, and you started it, but you never finished it. That would be, and you use the whole thing and you make something. The other thing is, you know, they put out, like this is an Echo Park Paper Company kit, and it has papers, it has stickers, it has pages like this, and so there's the stickers for this one. So that would be a challenge within the challenge, is to make a journal or album or project using a paper kit and using it up. So yeah, so that was something I had bought to use with the Tea and Roses and to make something for my mom. So anyway, that would be a 6x6, an 8.5 by 11, or a 12 by 12, or if that's the kit size. Okay, 6x6, 8.5 by 11, or a 12 by 12 kit size. Your journal or book can be any size, but you need to use up your whole kit. Okay, so March Spring Stashbuster Junk Journal Challenge. March Spring Stashbuster Junk Journal Challenge. Use your oldest tool, your newest tool: stamping, stenciling, embossing, lace, buttons, washi, stickers, a book, calendar, or magazine, paper collection, fabric. Okay, so your paper collection is that you've got I have a package of, well, you know, I've been using up that Hey You. And I think I've almost got it all gone. But say you have something like this. So I have this Flea Market by Crate Paper, and I have, this is what I have left. Okay? And so this, I might not use all of this because those are letters and I can use those for something. But you guys, this is Eastery colors. And I am, look at that. I think that will make a great, maybe along with some of that, because I still have a little bit of that left. Yeah, so we'll see. But that is what I mean by a paper collection. So you've got this paper collection. It's a paper book. You're going to use that and try and use it up. Now, I am going to count. You do not have to use your entire paper collection for this in your journal. You want to use as much of it as you can, but you can make greeting cards. You can make some embellishments for a future project. What I want you to do is when you do that, you show us what you are putting in your journal up here, and then maybe your extra pieces can go to the side. Okay? And so anyway, so we are busting our stash. Let's see how we can do. I can't wait to see what you do with your paper collections. If you need some ideas, Pink Oddbird, April at Pink Oddbird did a, what did she call it? Anyway, you took your paper pad and you used a paper pad and you made as many journals as you wanted or as you could. And so I will try and link that sometime today in the description box down below, or you can check out Pink Oddbird here on YouTube, and then look for paper pad. Look, paper pad, and that will probably get you to it. So again, this is the March Spring Stashbuster Junk Journal Challenge for 2020. The deadline is March 31st. We will have a party for those that finish. Your party will be in April, and in that party will be a digital kit that I will have made that's exclusive. There but eventually it will be, it does go up for sale in my Etsy shop, but you'll be getting that for just for finishing your journal. Just like the people that finished their August journal are getting the Mimi's Song and Flowers digital kit in their party. And so make sure that if you finished your August journal, that you go to the August Junk Journal Challenge and get your link and go and make sure you pick that up. And so then really quick, I want to tell you that for those of you that did not earn that, it is on sale through March 4th in the Dearjuliejulie Etsy shop. And it is a beautiful kit and it's going to be wonderful for spring. And also in the Dearjuliejulie Etsy shop this weekend on sale for 50% off is the huge 40 different pages Peacock Junk Journal Digital Kit. So I'll give you a look. I did not do any of the vignettes, so the soft sides. So this week, I will be doing a video and putting that up on your regular computer, how you can add that soft look to the edges, if you like that. But this kit was already huge with 40 pages. So you get side-by-side pages that you can use in a journal. And there you go. Lots of side-by-sides. We have photographs of peacocks. This is actually called Peacock Feathers, this digital kit. This is one of the ephemera pages. You get postcards and calling cards. And you get them smaller. And you get the envelope. That's the envelope we made with the envelope punch board. You get large tags, which is one of my favorite things in the kits, is the large tags. And then the wallets. I've printed everything on copy paper. Some more small envelopes. More of, this one has the receipt and calling cards and some ephemera. Another envelope and a receipt, an envelope and a different receipt. There's the receipts. This is the mini journal digital kit. Mini journal digital kit. This is printed with the print quality as quality. So like high quality. And you can see how much brighter it is. It's way brighter. So this is the mini journal kit. So you get all those pages for the mini journal kit. And then, actually those were regular quality and then high quality. And then you get the Peacock Photo digital kit within the kit. So those are photos of my friends' peacocks. And they turned out so cool, I thought that we should put them in. I also included the large page of the Merry Birds. I like to take and print this, 9 of them on one page at the wallet size, and use those throughout my my journals. So there you go. That is the Peacock Junk Journal Kit. It is available this weekend for half price through March 4th. And I hope you join us with the March Spring Stashbuster Junk Journal Challenge. The link will be in the description box down below. The group is open and ready for you to join. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day, and let's bust that stash. Bye. Bye-bye.